Hair loss is a common concern affecting millions of people worldwide, regardless of age or gender. It can be distressing and impact self-esteem and confidence. Understanding the underlying causes of hair loss is crucial for finding effective treatments and prevention strategies. Here are the 6 main reasons why we lose our hair. 1. Genetics. Genetic predisposition is the most common cause of hair loss. Known as androgenetic alopecia, this condition affects both men and women. In men, it is often referred to as male pattern baldness and is characterized by a receding hairline and thinning at the crown. In women, it usually manifests as diffuse thinning over the entire scalp. This hereditary condition is influenced by genetic factors passed down from parents. 2. Hormonal changes. Hormonal imbalances can trigger hair loss. Conditions such as pregnancy, childbirth, menopause, and thyroid problems can lead to temporary or permanent hair loss. For example, during pregnancy, elevated estrogen levels keep hair in the growth phase, but after childbirth, these hormone levels drop sharply, causing hair to enter the shedding phase. Similarly, an overactive or underactive thyroid gland can disrupt hair growth cycles. 3. Medical conditions and treatments. Various medical conditions can lead to hair loss. Alopecia areata, an autoimmune disorder, causes the immune system to attack hair follicles, resulting in patchy hair loss. Other medical conditions such as scalp infections, psoriasis, and seborrheic dermatitis can also contribute to hair loss. Additionally, treatments like chemotherapy and radiation therapy used for cancer can cause significant hair loss as they target rapidly dividing cells, including those in hair follicles. 4. Nutritional deficiencies. A balanced diet is essential for healthy hair growth. Deficiencies in essential nutrients such as iron, vitamin D, zinc, and biotin can lead to hair loss. Iron deficiency, in particular, is a common cause of hair thinning in women. Maintaining a diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and proteins helps support hair health and growth. 5. Stress. Physical and emotional stress can have a profound impact on hair health. Telogen effluvium is a condition where significant stress pushes a large number of hair follicles into the resting, telogen, phase, leading to increased shedding. This type of hair loss is usually temporary and resolves once the stressor is eliminated. However, chronic stress can exacerbate other underlying conditions that contribute to hair loss. 6. Hairstyling and treatments. Certain hairstyling practices and treatments can damage hair and cause it to fall out. Excessive use of heat styling tools, chemical treatments like bleaching and perming, and tight hairstyles such as braids and ponytails can weaken hair shafts and lead to a condition called traction alopecia. Reducing the use of harsh treatments and opting for gentle styling techniques can help prevent this type of hair loss. Hair loss can result from a combination of factors, including genetics, hormonal changes, medical conditions, nutritional deficiencies, stress, and hairstyling practices. Understanding these causes is the first step in addressing and managing hair loss effectively. If you are experiencing significant hair loss, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional or dermatologist to determine the underlying cause and develop a personalized treatment plan. With the right approach, many forms of hair loss can be treated or prevented, helping you maintain healthy, vibrant hair.